Unlock endless shooting potential for your Sony A1 by mastering the dummy battery setup. First, locate the NPF-Z10 battery compartment on your Sony A1. Open the small flap where the battery contacts are visible. Now, take your compatible dummy battery and ensure it's specifically designed for the Sony NPF-Z100 mount to guarantee a perfect fit and proper communication with your camera. Carefully insert the dummy battery's connector into the camera's battery slot, ensuring it clicks firmly into place, just like a regular battery would. This connector is designed to mimic the shape and function of the actual camera battery. Next, connect the dummy battery's cable to your chosen external power source. This could be a high-capacity power bank or an AC adapter. Make sure your power source provides sufficient voltage and amperage as recommended by the dummy battery manufacturer. Once connected, power on your Sony A1. You should see the familiar battery icon on your screen, but now it will indicate that the camera is running on continuous external power, eliminating battery anxiety. With your dummy battery properly set up, you can now enjoy significantly extended shooting sessions. This is ideal for long video recordings, lengthy time lapses, or any situation where stopping to change batteries would interrupt your workflow. Say goodbye to constant battery checks and unexpected shutdowns, and hello to uninterrupted creativity. Your Sony A1 is now ready to keep running reliably and consistently for as long as you do, keeping your camera running, powered by a dummy battery.